Okay, so because parent-teacher conferences are coming up, this is a bonus tutorial. Thanks to Jen Sedlacek for pointing out that this might be an issue when printing progress reports. So when you want to print progress reports for parents, or at least just have them saved as a PDF on your laptop, you might not want all of them. Like you might just want students who are getting a certain grade range, or just one or two students. And so what you want to do is click on reports and go to individual student report. And when I click on that over here, one of the things that I can do is I can click on students and I can filter out what students I want. So if I know for sure that I need this student and this student, that works. And right now, because I fixed it, it runs report and I can run that report. But what Jen found, and I was having the same problem, is that when you click over to criteria and scroll down and go to date range, if this right here, if this assignment date range is not selected to S1, you will not be able to run a report of only one or two students in your progress reports. So please, if you just want to run one or two and it's not giving you that option to run report, just go back to the criteria tab, right up here at the top, criteria tab, scroll down to the bottom where it says date range and change this assignment date range. It had nothing there. There was nothing there. But then I click that drop down menu and it gives me options. Click S1 and then you should be able to run that report no problem. So thanks again to Jen Sedlacek for pointing that out. Have a great day.